Hey, so long time no see and a lot of changes. I started with the new job on the old company, so I really joined Affinity. I'm super happy about it. And uh, that I working on the agents, artificial intelligence, conversation agents. I was working a lot around the memory. Uh, but I see that right now the agents are overhyped. So everybody wants to do the agents. Nobody knows what it's about or have their own view how it would how it should work. And uh, I also joking that the AI agents is like the you know uh, big data a couple of decades ago. And I also joking that it's more about the teenage sex because everybody pretends to do it. Nobody knows how to do it right. And actually, if it's even exists, and its current state where we are. And what I see from the big amount of talks with the community recently, while I was looking for a job, I've had a lot of interviews with the people who build the agents and even consult some of the organizations that wants to switch to the agentic and artificial intelligence. And that's my subjective for sure opinion, but first of all, the agents are not yet enough microservices. You could not just rename your microservices to agents and pretend that you do the agentic architecture. It doesn't make sense. Also, I see, let's say, that a lot of people see the agents as a piece of software. Yeah, it's the piece of software at the end, but I want to encourage you to think about the agents like the human-like entities. What I mean, that they have the autonomy, they have their own worldview, they have rights to take their own decisions, and the most important thing that agents should be proactive, the same as people do. And for sure, the agents they, as people, could use different tools. They could use the software, they could use the different kinds of protocols. They could use, for example, MCP to connect to some data sources and all other things. So, as they, as a humans, could use some tools, software, and services to do their work. But we could not just say that agentic ecosystem is just a software that use some JSON APIs. But you know, we need a paradigm shift to have the agents as a human-like entities, and for this, in this stack, to make the agents work with the humans and behave more like the humans. One missing piece that we not talk often uh, really needed to be added, and it's a semantic layer. The semantic layer and the understanding of the things. So we really need to talk with the agents semantically in the same way as we talk to the humans. So if you understand me, so use the English language, and even I'm Ukrainian, and we have our map of the semantics that are independent from the languages that allow us to understand what the red apple mean or some other things. And we as a humans have the complex interactions as a society. And it's all begin from the semantical understanding of the meaning of the things, independently from the language, because um, we have the semiotics, semantics, and pragmatics. That, for example, the semiotics go beyond the language. It's not the languages, it's more about the symbols and how the symbols create the meaning. And pragmatics actually extend the semantics and shape the semantics in a context of the conversation, and actually to build something that able to interact with the humans on the human language, we need the common understanding. And I see the agents more not as a piece of software, but as a humans with some flaws and disabilities for now. And to overcome these disabilities and flaws, they need the instruments. And they also could use the software as instruments and the different kind of tools to extend themselves, as same as people actually extend their brain with different tools. And to build this symbiotic union of machines, people, and agents, we really need to build a common understanding and language that all the parties understand. Yeah, so that's it that I was to share with you. Let's take an act that think about the agents as humans, and maybe it will change the way how you build them.